I want to show the power of a lightning strike. This happened in a storm in August in New Jersey. I've seen lightning strikes at trees, but nothing like this. Come across, you can see debris from this blown all the way out here. You can see pieces of it over here. It's just all over. Most of it blew out this way. More chunks over here, just splinters of it everywhere. This great big piece is blown off. You can see where it took so much meat out that this larger branch just fell from the weight. This piece is blown off. I tried to push on it to see if it would fall off, but it's got enough meat still on it. You can see where the lightning came down, and this tree is pretty much in bad shape at this point. Blew some bark right off of it. You can see that split all the way down. Incredible. Debris field goes on out this way. Lightning strike, Jobestown, New Jersey.